Hey there, have an old 401k from a previous job just sitting there. Rolling it over into a Fidelity IRA consolidates your retirement savings and gives you more control over your investments. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. First, open a Fidelity rollover IRA if you don't have one already. Then, do not take a distribution yourself. Instead, contact Fidelity's rollover specialists. They can often guide you and even reach out to your old 401k provider on your behalf to initiate a direct rollover. This process moves the funds directly from your old plan to your new Fidelity IRA, avoiding any taxes or penalties. My crucial pro tip: opt for a direct rollover every time. If a check is made out to you personally, your old employer is required to withhold 20% for taxes. Avoid this hassle and potential tax bill by ensuring the funds move directly between the institutions. That's how you seamlessly transfer your future into an account you manage. How many old retirement accounts are you looking to consolidate? Let me know in the comments. If guides that help you secure your future resonate with you, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.